Dr. Zhivago is a novel written by the Russian and later on Soviet author Boris Pasternak. It was published in 1957. He was awarded the 1958 Nobel Prize in Literature for this novel. There is a famous film adaptation starring Omar Sharif about this novel. Boris Pasternak's poetry collection is much more extensive. This novel is set during the Russian Revolution and Civil War. The novel portrays Yuri Zhivago. He loses his parents at a young age. He is raised in Moscow by a wealthy family. Yuri is a thoughtful and idealistic man. He becomes a doctor. He also writes poetry. Tonia Gromenko is his childhood friend. Yuri and Tonia Gromenko marry and begin a stable family life. Then there is Larissa Antipova, or Lara. When she was a young girl, Lara was seduced and manipulated by the corrupt lawyer Viktor Komarovsky. Later she marries Pavel Antipov, or Pasha. Pasha is a committed revolutionary. World War One breaks out. Yuri works as a military doctor. He is posted to the front. There he meets Lara. Lara is working as a nurse. They both like each other. In 1917, the Russian Revolution starts. There is collapse of society. There is hunger, violence and chaos. Yuri's family runs away from Moscow and hides in the countryside of the Ural Mountains. By chance, Yuri and Lara meet again. The love between them grows, but they also have feelings of guilt. Danger and political oppression is everywhere. Lara's husband Pasha is now a ruthless Bolshevik commander. He has changed his name to Strelnikov. The Red Partisans find out that Yuri is a doctor. They forcibly take away Yuri and make him work as a doctor. The work is hard and grueling. Yuri has to work for many years in this manner. Then he escapes and meets Lara. They live together briefly in happiness. But Yuri is afraid. The regime's control is tightening. Then one day Yuri and Lara see Komarovsky. Komarovsky says that the regime is brutal and they are all in danger. Komarovsky is fleeing Russia. He advises Yuri and Lara to do the same. Lara agrees to flee. Yuri refuses to go. Lara leaves. Yuri never sees her again. Yuri now lives in Moscow. He is poor and isolated. Lara has gone. Yuri's spirit is broken. He continues to write poetry. One day he is walking along a street in Moscow when he suffers a heart attack. Yuri succumbs. Boris Pasternak hints that Yuri and Lara have a daughter who survived. In this novel, Boris Pasternak suggests that love and personal conscience are more important than political ideology or revolution. A political system can crush individuals, but it cannot crush human spirit. Boris so shows that when there is oppression, then art, poetry, and emotion are acts of resistance. When there is chaos, then one should stay true to one's inner self. This is true freedom from the chaos. This is a tragic novel. It suggests that human feelings, poetry, and personal conscience are more powerful than political systems, even if the human beings are destroyed by the political system.